Hi, I'm Shari,
And I'm Tejpal.
and we wanted to talk to you a little bit about this amazing workshop that we've created called Shift Happens. And one of the things that we really want to allow space for to address is loss. And we both work with people who are experiencing loss and tremendous grief. And we've created this experiential opportunity to come and examine it and look at it differently and do that in a safe and really nurturing way.
Yeah, and when people experience losses, they have a tendency to get stuck into it. And of course, we need to go through the healing process. We can't pretend it never happened, but it cannot also become our identity. And so we want to be sure that that experience, no matter how painful it was, it's still part of you, but it doesn't define you. So for this reason, we really invite you to come to this workshop, and we can't wait to work with you.